Hi everyone, I wanted to make a video to practice shoe tying while we're out at school. I've used two strings. You can use two shoelaces, but the biggest thing to remember is that there are two different colors. And I've cut them in half, tied them, and I've used nice heavy duct tape to tape it onto a binder. So it worked out really well. I'm going to turn around on the other side so you can see. We're going to talk about the steps that we've practiced at school. So if you can remember our poem, the first step is to make a teepee. I'm going to bring the pink inside. Come inside. My hand's going to come inside. Close it up so we can hide. Here's my mountain. Around I go. Here's my arrow. Here's my bow. We're going to go through this 5 times, so the first time is done. We practice about 5 minutes at a time, and that's plenty. I'm going to talk more about the steps now. Make a teepee. So it's like an X. The pink's in front right now. Pink comes inside. I'm going to bring my hand, grab the pink, close it up so we can hide. Here's my mountain. So I'm a righty, so my left hand's going to do the easy work. If I was a lefty, my right hand's going to do the easy work. The easy work is over here. Here's my mountain. And I see my thumb right here. I'm going to wrap it around my thumb. Around I go. I try to teach the kids to wrap it around your thumb so when it's time to push it through, you know exactly where to push it. It goes right under your thumb. I'm going to do push, pinch, pinch, pull. Here's my bow. I'm going to try to do it silently this time. This will be number 3. Make a teepee. Oh, I got to be quiet. There it is. It's 3. 2 more times. Make a teepee. Pink's in front. Come inside. Close it up so we can hide. Here's my mountain. Around my thumb, around we go. Here's my arrow. Here's my, and do pinch, pinch, pull. Boom. Boom. Last time. Make a teepee. Come inside. Close it up so we can hide. Here's my mountain. Around I go. Here's my arrow. Here's my bow. We did it. How'd we do? Just takes 5 minutes a day, okay? Keep practicing. You can do it. Thanks.